Alright folks, we're going to be looking at this dance workout with Barbie VHS tape.
Hi everybody, are you ready to work out with me and my friends? Then let's go! Alright, here we go! Let's march! It's 5, it's 6, it's 7, inhale up, really big, take it up! Remember girls, drink a glass of water before and after the workout. And be sure to do the warm-up and cool down every time. And don't forget to clear the area so you can move freely. Step, push, walk it right. And push, and push, and push. Reach big. All right, here we go. It's up. It's 2. It's 3. All right, now push it. Yes. Yes. One more time. Here we go. Reach up. Reach. 2, 3. Step, push. Push. 2. All right, reach and lunge. Here we go. Press. 2, 3. Roll your shoulders. Press, press, and press.
Gotta work the shoulders. That's the thing most people forget.
Roll your shoulders in. Good. All right, hide and seek.
Hide and seek.
Yes. Bring it up and down. We call this the hide and seek. I don't know. Right here.
I don't know.
You'll be moving like a pro in no time. Yes. Doubles, here we go. Push and push. Tap, touch, here we go. Touch, step, 2 tap in. 2, 2. All right. 1 and 2. Press in and out. You've got it. Down, down, up. Down, down, up. Are you ready? Let's knock it out right here. Up, 2. Step it side to side right here. Left. Learning the first step with the hot foot. Push it. Hey girls, you've got the look. Work out with me and tap that foot. 2. All right, Barbie makes it march. Right, left, push. Now get ready for a big combination. Hot foot, here we go. Yes. Step, push, step, reach, step, touch. How do you feel? You should be able to talk easily and not be out of breath or dizzy. You're doing just fine if you can say, I'm okay.
I'm okay.
Now, you look so cool. Woo! Great work.
Oh, I think I'm getting the hang of it now.
Woo! 2 more, here we go.
There we go. Yeah, this one's easy. This one's the easiest.
Double, here we go. Now 2. Kick out, go!
Okay, there we go.
Woo! Nice job, girls. I'm proud of you.
Yeah.
You'll see what I mean.
I'm sweating.
Travel, then hit it.
Oh, it's a lot.
Love it. 1 march down on 4. Bring it in on 4. Oh, you gotta give it all you got right now. And I know you gotta like
Okay, you gotta remember to breathe.
Big tap. Here we go. Heel, step touch. Yes. Oh yeah. Sidewalk straight to the right. All right, Sharon joggers, go! Push, push. Wow. Yes. I think
Okay, this one's good.
ready to
This
add
one's
the
good.
turns. Here we go. Turn it. Go!
Oh, turning? Okay. What?
1, 2, 3.
The spin.
Yes! What do you say?
Barbie just can't stop dancing.
Got it, yeah. Make your own groove. Go, yes. Let's see your stuff. Swing it out.
Okay, freestyle time.
Get loose. Just do your own thing. time you do this routine, you're going to get better and better. And up.
That was cool. Yeah, definitely a good workout. Definitely sweat a bit. I'm happy they included a warm-up and cool-down just for stuff where you're moving a lot and you're moving for about 20 to 30 minutes. You want to be able to cool off and warm up and stuff like that. As for difficulty, it was about in the middle. It was average. I was definitely sweating during some of the dances, but I was happy with it. I would say it would be pretty accessible to most people. Yeah, the music was good. The dance moves were cool. I liked the instructor was really charismatic, and yeah, this was a really good. This is a great video. Alright everybody, see you next time. If you want to see more videos like this, leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more.
2, 3, one more time. Here we go. Up, 2, 3, last one. Rest. 2,